Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I recently had my home visit where my midwife comes and drops off our home birth kit and, tours the house and does that sort of thing. And so as I'm double checking her checklist of what goes in the bin, I thought it would just be fun to kind of show you what goes into a home birth kit and what type of supplies she drops off. So she does give this little checklist, and then in addition to that, she gives like a little handout on what to do if baby arrives before the midwife does. So that's really nice to have. And then she also has this little sheet for transport care. So if something happens and you need to transfer from home birth to hospital, she has a little sheet that she can mark to give the doctors, and that's so useful. I mean, hopefully that's not what's going to happen, but it's nice to have that and know that she is prepared. So I will note that when my midwife dropped this off to me, she had just come from a birth, and she was like, please double check this because I think there's a thing or two missing. This was at 36 weeks that she dropped it off. And she was like, so go through it, tell me if there's anything missing so that we can make sure we have it for your birth. So I've just gone through it, and there are a couple things missing. So I will just mention those real quick since you won't see them, as I show you. The first one is a peri bottle. So that is something she normally has. I did a home birth with her last year. It was in the kit and it was so useful. So I'm glad that, comes in it. It's just amazing to have. The other thing is trash bags. She normally has trash bags in here, a black one for, trash, and then she has a white one for laundry, and they will do laundry before they leave. So that is so nice as well. And then the third thing is a bath herbs. So after, have baby, she has like a little bag of herbs that she gives that you can put in a sock to soak in the tub with to kind of help ease those, labor delivery pains, if you'll call them. So those are the couple things that you won't see here that normally do come in this birth kit. So I'll get those when I see her at my next appointment. All right, so the first thing, I'll just show you what's near me. So the first thing is a pack of disinfectant wipes. Next, we have these extra large bedside, I think they're normally called chuck pads, I think. They're almost like those doggy pee pads. So this is great because, you can put these on the floor when you're in labor and, not worry about making a mess at all. You can put them on your bed for after, labor, so that you don't get your bed messy, those sorts of things. So these are extra large pads of those. She also gets a flannel table cover. So this is great to put over your sheets if you want to labor in bed so you don't ruin anything. So that's also great to have. Next up are these are catheters. So obviously if something, if someone needs that after, she has that available. So this is the suction piece, and then there is one for mom and one for baby in case that is needed as well. She also has a blood typing kit, exam gloves. She's got some massage oil in here. She's got some skin cleanser. This is like an antiseptic. She has surgical sponges, I think these are. Yep, a surgical scrub brush. Hydrogen peroxide spray. Dermoplast. This is basically for after having baby to kind of help soothe some of the pain down there. And some preparation H in case hemorrhoids arise. There's this little thing here too. I don't know if you can kind of see it from that far away. I don't know what it is. I couldn't find it on the sheet, so I can't tell you what it is, but she has this. I don't know what it is though. And then this bowl here, this Rubbermaid container, is actually for the placenta. She also provides a few bendy straws. My kids are especially happy about this. They opened it up, these were right on top, and they were like, can we use them? Can we use them? So they are especially excited about these. Somehow they've remained in there. Let's see, she has some liquid IV packets. She has a couple different flavor options, which is nice. She has passion fruit and lemon lime flavors, so at least there's a choice. She also has these amnicators, which are used basically to test if something is your amniotic fluid or not. So if you aren't sure if your water broke or whatever, you can use this to test. She has in here umbilical cord clamps, and this is actually a cord loop, which is something I had never heard of, and that's kind of cool because it eliminates the clamp so it doesn't like rub on the baby's clothes, and I had never heard of that or seen it, so that's really cool. I don't know which one she'll use, but she's got those. She has surgical lubricant. She has a few smaller size Sani cloths, and then she has a couple of extra large ones. She has an amnicot, and this is for an amniotomy, which if you want to know what that is, it's when they artificially rupture your membranes. So it basically is like a latex finger glove with a little hook on the end so that she could rupture your membranes if you wanted that or needed that. Then she has some surgical gloves here, obviously different than the, latex gloves, surgical versus just everyday exam gloves, because she is a, certified midwife. She can do stitching if need be. She can do some of, those surgical things. And then she has some gauze pad. These are 4x4s. She's got an extra large Ziploc bag. These are bedside pads. This is a pack of them. They're kind of like these, except for smaller, I think. She provides some adult underwear, adult diapers, which are going to be great postpartum, as well as she has 3 of these perineal cooling pads, so they kind of break and they cool so that you can ice that area afterward as well. She's got the little bulb syringe for baby. She's got some chapstick here. She also provides a couple of newborn diapers and some wipes, as well as in this bag is 3 receiving blankets, so for the baby. So that is pretty much everything in the kit. It's not huge. Everything fits in this little Rubbermaid container here. And I also keep my short-term disability and FMLA paperwork for work in it because obviously, I'm gonna need time off after baby, and so I just put that with my birth kit so that we remember to do it and have that filled out for when baby's born. But yeah, everything fits right in here. I just keep it in the bedroom for whenever the day is gonna happen. She will bring the birth tub with her. She keeps it in her car. So she'll bring that with her, and if a client wants to use it, they can. So I think want to use it this time, so she'll bring that and we will prep that. And then she also brings like all her surgical tools and other sorts of birthing things. So she'll bring a birthing stool. She has her Doppler, things of that nature that she'll bring with her on the day of that kind of are in her kit that she keeps in her car that she needs to bring, from birth to birth. So those are also things that she provides. I'm not providing anything extra than this stuff. I have, some clothes for the baby here. I have diapers for the baby. She has receiving blankets, she has diapers. So even if baby was to come early and surprise us, like she literally has everything you would need for baby's first, hours and days of life. And that's really, really awesome. I'm so thankful she provides this kit because I know some midwives don't. They just give you the list and then you have to get the things. So I'm glad she kind of just makes it easy. It's included in her, package, and she just drops it off to your house. So this is awesome. But if you're someone who is, trying to plan a home birth for yourself, I just thought it would be nice so you could see some of the things that are in a home birth kit. So that's all for today. Just a short, sweet home birth kit video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.